In this video, we look at a problem in which we've got to find the area of two combined triangles, one of which is right-angled, one of them is not. And this is a lovely problem which reviews a number of core skills. Now, one of these has got a very simple area to find, triangle 1. Because triangle 1 has got a height of 5 and a base of 12. So for triangle 1, all we do is we do a half times by the base times by the height. 12 times 5 is 60, a half of 60 is 30. So the area of this triangle, though no units given, is 30. Now the problem for the second triangle is that it's not right angles, or right-angled, therefore there's no base and height, and we only know one side. However, there's a way to find an area if we know side, angle, side, and that's given by a half BC, sine of the angle, where B and C are the two sides, and A is the angle. But we're missing the side. However, we can find the missing side, because the missing side of this triangle here is also the hypotenuse of the right-angled triangle. And I can find the hypotenuse using Pythagoras, because this is a right-angled triangle. So if I square the 5, I get 25. If I square the 12, I get 144. If I add them together, I get 169. So to find the missing side, I then square root this. And the square root of 169 is quite simply 13. So I know that the hypotenuse is 13. So this hypotenuse is 13. So therefore, that side, i.e. this side, is 13. So, to find out the area of this second triangle, I can use this formula here. And it's a half times by B times C, B and C either way round, but half times 3 times 13 times by sine of the angle. The fact they're both 30 is a complete coincidence. Now then, this is one of you need to know the value of sine 30. It's one of the key values to actually know if you've not got a calculator. And sine of 30 is a half. So this is a half of 3 times 13 is 39 times by sine 30, which is a half. So, I've got to work out a half of 39. So 39 divided by 2 is 19.5. And then halve it again, which is 9.75. I've halved it twice. So this triangle here has got an area of 9.75. So the total area is 30 plus 9.75, which is 39.75. A bit of advice: for any problem involving joined triangles, nearly always finding the shared side helps you unlock the problem.